Hello, everyone. My name is Meena. I am 36 years old, living in a small town in India. I work as a caretaker, looking after elderly people in our community. My husband, Raj, is a driver, and we have two children, Anya, who is 10, and Karthik, who is 12. I love my family very much and work hard every day to support them. I have always had a dream. I want to learn English and speak it fluently. If I can do this, I can get a job as a caretaker in the USA, which will help me earn more money for my family. However, I face many challenges. My family does not support my dream. Raj, my husband, thinks it is unnecessary. He believes that my current job is good enough and does not understand why I want to learn English. One day, I decided to take the first step towards my dream. I enrolled in an English class at a nearby community center. The classes were held in the evenings so I could attend them after finishing my work. The teacher, Mrs. Sharma, was very kind and patient. She understood that I was a beginner and helped me with basic English words and sentences. At first, it was difficult. I struggled with pronunciation and grammar. Balancing work, family, and learning was not easy. I would wake up early in the morning to prepare breakfast for my family and get the kids ready for school. After that, I would go to work, taking care of elderly people, ensuring they had their meals and medicines on time. In the evenings, I would attend my English classes. After class, I would return home, cook dinner, help my children with their homework, and finally, late at night, I would study my English lessons. Although my family did not support me at first, I found support in unexpected places. Mrs. Sharma, my English teacher, was my biggest supporter. She encouraged me every step of the way and often gave me extra lessons after class. She also introduced me to an online platform where I could practice English with other learners from around the world. At work, one of the elderly ladies I cared for, Mrs. Kapoor, noticed my efforts and started helping me. She had once been an English teacher and offered to teach me during my work hours. She would speak to me in English, correcting my mistakes and helping me build my vocabulary. Her encouragement meant the world to me. There were days when I felt like giving up. Learning a new language at my age was not easy. Sometimes I would make mistakes, and my children would laugh at my pronunciation. It hurt, but I knew they did not mean any harm. They just found it funny because I was their mother. Karthik and Anya, my children, would sometimes tease me, but I took it in stride. Raj, my husband, continued to be indifferent. He would often say, "Why are you wasting your time? You don't need to learn English." But I did not let their words discourage me. I kept practicing. I would read English newspapers, watch English news channels, and even listen to English songs. Slowly, I started to improve. I could understand simple sentences and even started speaking in short phrases. As months passed, I began to notice a change. My English was improving. I could hold basic conversations and understand more of what people were saying. Mrs. Sharma noticed my progress and praised me in class. This boosted my confidence. I started speaking more, even though I made mistakes. Each mistake was a learning opportunity. One day, while I was working at Mrs. Kapoor's house, she received a phone call from her daughter, who lived in the USA. Mrs. Kapoor proudly told her daughter about my efforts to learn English. Her daughter was impressed and offered to have video calls with me to help me practice. I was thrilled. Speaking with a native English speaker was a great opportunity. We started having weekly video calls. At first, I was nervous and made many mistakes, but Mrs. Kapoor's daughter was patient and encouraging. She corrected my mistakes gently and taught me new words and phrases. These conversations greatly improved my speaking skills and gave me more confidence. As my English improved, the dynamics at home began to change. Karthik and Anya started to take an interest in my learning. They began to help me with my homework and practice speaking with me. We would have small conversations in English during dinner time. This practice helped me a lot and also brought us closer as a family. Raj, on the other hand, remained skeptical. He did not understand why I was putting in so much effort. But I did not let his lack of support discourage me. I was determined to achieve my dream. One day, Mrs. Sharma told me about a job fair for people looking to work abroad. She encouraged me to attend and even helped me prepare my resume in English. I was nervous but excited. This could be my chance to find a job in the USA. At the job fair, I met many employers looking for caretakers. I spoke to several of them, and to my surprise, they were impressed with my English skills. One employer, from a well-known agency in the USA, offered me a job on the spot. I could not believe it. My hard work had paid off. When I returned home, I shared the news with my family. Karthik and Anya were excited and proud of me. Raj was surprised but happy for me. He finally understood why I had been working so hard to learn English. This new job would change our lives for the better. With the job offer in hand, I started preparing for my move to the USA. Mrs. Sharma and Mrs. Kapoor helped me with all the necessary paperwork. I also continued to practice my English, focusing on more advanced vocabulary and phrases that I would need in my new job. Karthik and Anya were a great help during this time. They took on more responsibilities at home, which gave me more time to focus on my preparations. Raj, too, started to support me more. He realized how important this opportunity was for our family. Finally, the day came for me to leave for the USA. It was a bittersweet moment. I was excited about the new opportunities, but sad to leave my family behind. However, I knew that this was a necessary step for a better future for all of us. As I boarded the plane, I felt a mix of emotions: nervousness, excitement, and hope. I knew that this was just the beginning of a new chapter in my life. I was ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that awaited me. My journey to learn English and achieve my dream was not easy. It was filled with challenges, struggles, and moments of doubt. But with determination, hard work, and the support of kind people like Mrs. Sharma and Mrs. Kapoor, I was able to overcome these obstacles. To anyone out there with a dream, I say this: never give up. No matter how difficult it may seem, keep pushing forward. You never know where your determination and hard work will take you. If I can do it, so can you. What do you think about Meena? Isn't her journey inspiring? Just like Meena, you too can learn English and achieve your dreams. Remember, it is never too late to start. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed. Keep practicing, stay positive, and believe in yourself. Let's learn English together and open doors to new opportunities. If you like this story, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment your best thoughts. I will post the best comments in the next video. Stay tuned and see you in the next story. Thank you.